I've decided I'm going to be using these linkages because I've got them, and because I've got them, they look better. Anyway, I've glued the winglets on, which go on perfectly. The moulding is absolutely fantastic on these things. It's apart from the glue sticking out where I don't want it, but anyway. So that's done. Servo's in, wire's got to go there, and I've done the other one, the other wing. Perfect, absolutely perfect. I can't believe the size of this thing. It's 1100mm. It looks a lot bigger than it actually is. What? How can something look a lot bigger than it is? It's 1100mm. That's the size of it, you dickhead. The fuselage I've been busy with. I didn't video it all because I couldn't be bothered. So what I've got on here is, on the back, two Emax RS2205 2600 kVs, which both turn inwards like that. That way will be outwards, that way's inwards. That one goes left, that one goes left. Or right. What the f... I've been busy with the fuselage. This is the fuselage. It's not a wing, it's a fuselage. On the back, there's two RS2205 2600 kV motors, which are going to be swinging 6-inch props. There's a 6-inch prop. So they're going to be swinging 6-inch props. If I take this off, I'll show you the underside first. ESCs are in there. There's the wires, which has got glue on it, which you're not going to see. It's just to keep the wires in place. And then obviously that goes over the top like that. Brilliant. I've still got to put the cover on, but I can't do that until I glue that down. On this side here we have, that's going to go there. This is the PDB. Obviously this is the kit version. If you get the plug and play version, you get a flight stabilizer with it. But obviously this one is the kit version because it's the one I wanted. So these are the wires which have gone from 2 into 1. That's the wires for the speed controllers, the power wires. These are the control wires for the speed controllers. That wire there is 5 volts, which is going to go down to the front here. And on here I've put a little, this is just neoprene, double-sided neoprene stuff, single-sided. It's just adhesive neoprene, which is going to go on there. So that run cam goes on there. I ain't going to go any further forward than that. That's to power that. So I've put all the reinforcements and everything else that they're saying in the instruction manual that I had to read because I thought I'd get this one right actually. So that ain't going anywhere. That thing is quite tight in there.
That's what she said.
So, and the other thing as well is that, is it that one? With this one, you see there's these retainer, these wooden retainer things. So you glue those on there and the screw goes through there and then that goes on there and that'll hold the run cam down perfectly. And it ain't moving anywhere, believe me. Obviously the battery's got to go in there, so I've got to be mindful that the USB connector's got to stick out the back there. I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and put my Betaflight flight controller in, which has got iNav on it, not Betaflight. That's going to go in there. Finished. I'd bloody lose me knob if I didn't have it bloody attached to me. Where the hell have I put that?